Now,
Yeah.
we're going to cut grass with the Roman chariot.
Yeah. It's going to get it.
Hopefully.
I'm going to go around the light pole.
Oh, don't do that. You'll hit the light bulb. What you want, second gear to cut with?
That's fine.
That's not the first time you said something's flown in your mouth. So I'm gonna get hit with a pecan. Yeah, oh, Jesus, oh, fucking shit. Oh, that pecan hit me in the kneecap. Damn it. God, quit laughing, you son of a bitch. God! Oh, hit me in the kneecap! Right there! Where's my thing? Right there! Hit me in the damn kneecap! You asshole!
That's coming for you! It's coming for you!
Ain't no pecans out here, motherfucker!
Damn it! Oh, that was funny! Oh, that was so funny!
Hit me right in my knee! Oh! No! No! Jesus Christ! That one hit me right there! Right close to my nutsack!
You in the line of fire!
I know that!
Them onions taste terrible!
Well, you ought not to eat the onion. Oh shit! Stop! I hear him hit my jacket! Asshole. You don't get to do that no more.
Well, come on now.
No.
Come on.
There's a lot of streets where you have cut grass.
It's got to shoot it through right.
Well, you can only turn it that far. It hit me right there too. That almost did.
Well, thank you.
How the hell you aim when you're in the damn trailer?
I was just aiming and hoping.
Well, you ready to put it up?
Yeah.
You want to drive it up or you want to carry it up? In the trailer?
Yeah.
All right, man. What do you want, third again? David in the Roman chariot again. After hitting me in the damn kneecap and almost in the
Shit.
Huh?
Are you talking shit?
No,
Oh.
I would never talk shit about you. I got that look.
Yes, you did.
Look at that asshole go. Red faced motherfucker. That hit me in the nuts with a pecan, hit me in the kneecap with a pecan, streaked up my field. And now I'm the only one that can stop him, and he's way the hell up there, and I'm fat, and I don't want to run. You're up there. I'm the only one that can stop you. It's really tires. I see you can't make it up the hill. Oh, it's burning the tires.
You better stop it.
Yeah.
I'll go this way, think you can't get
He was spinning tires. You have stopped.
Yes, I have. Oh, I'm so glad you got off my hand. That hurts.